These are wireless devices which allow you to wirelessly communicate from the PC to the Murloc Gen 3 modules. It is FCC certified and offers the highest bandwidth and long line of sight distances of 1 kilometer. We use Snap wireless technology which allows for an instant lock and self-healing mesh network. The spread spectrum DSSS technology mitigates or eliminates risk of interference and jamming. The associated software allows you to encrypt and lock channels for optimum security. This device can serve one PC to one Murloc or one PC to many Murlocs. It also allows you to have a hybrid setup by which you have a single transmitter and single receiver and then run a wire from one wireless Murloc Gen 3 to other non-wireless Murloc Gen 3s. The device is rated from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. You will need to go to this hyperlink to download the necessary software in order to modify the hardware and set specific functions. This link also provides the necessary drivers so that you can recognize the proper COM port. This is the transmitter raw master unit. It is fully FCC certified and compliant. It uses this USB connection which plugs directly into your PC firing station. The USB port provides all the power necessary. This is the slave unit or receiver. It is powered by this power pack which has a power switch on the face. When powered on, an LED will be illuminated. It communicates through RS-485 directly to the Murloc Gen 3's communication hub. The red wire will go to the red port and the black wire will go to the black port. Your wireless units come pre-programmed to simply connect and use. Just plug the master's USB into the PC. When connected, the green LED light near the USB jack will be on. Next, power on the slave unit by the battery box. The green LED light by the cord jack will also be on. Notice the red LED near the mode reset button go from red to green. It has detected the master unit. You are ready to connect the red wire to the red port and black wire to the black port. We are now ready to test the connectivity of the Murloc Gen 3's wireless network. A simple way to do this is to scan the network with Ironfire Basic. Notice the green status LEDs near the mode button. Green means that the wireless devices are able to see one another. From the Iron Basic splash screen, select the drop-down arrow and select Merlin Systems. Afterwards, you will select the correct COM port the PC assigned the master. Typically, Ironfire will only display the active ports on your PC. If there are multiple ports, it's usually the last port on the list. You can now scan the network. Since you only have one Murloc on the network, you can scan one-to-one. All the Murloc Gen 3s on the network are now displayed on this window. Notice the LED on the master is flashing from orange to green. This means it is now in master mode. This allows the wireless devices to communicate with multiple slave wireless units on one network. There might be a time you will want to reset your module to the factory state. Just press the mode button and disconnect power. While keeping the mode button depressed, power the unit back on and hold the mode button in for about 5 seconds. You will see the LED light flash red fast. Release the button and the LED light should go out. Do the same with the slave units. You can power down using the slide power switch. You now have 2 factory reset units. Neither are master units or slave units. You will need to set one unit to USB control using the EasySet software before the units can be used with the firing PC. I will describe that later. Another mode is point-to-point. Just power the unit on and push the mode button in for 5 seconds. The LED will flash red fast while it looks for another unit to pair with. When they find one another, the LEDs will turn green. You can use this mode if you only have one receiver and one transmitter and you don't plan on buying more receivers. Next, we are going to do another factory reset, and then turn your wireless devices back into a master and slave. If you push the mode button quickly 4 times, the red LED light will flash fast and you will ask it to look for a master unit. If it doesn't find a master unit in 4 seconds, it will go back to factory default mode. In order for you to successfully create a master and slave, you must first program the master unit. Do this by pressing the mode button 8 times quickly. The red LED light will flash green and orange, indicating it is now a master and it is transmitting. Once you have the master unit set, you can program the slave unit by pressing the mode button quickly 4 times. It will flash red fast until it detects a master and the LED will change to green. Anytime you change the modules to the factory reset, you must turn on the USB comms link on the master or transmitter through the EasySet software. First name the COM port that the master is connected to, option RS485 and USB. Select USB and follow the prompts and warnings. You need to use the USB settings so the signals can be decoded at the Merlock. Once done, you won't be able to see the master at the PC using the EasySet software unless you do another factory reset. As you can see, this technology has been engineered to be easy and dependable. This piece of equipment is sure to provide you the wireless control you expect from a product line as exceptional as the Murloc Gen 3. Thank you for watching.